Right guys, I am looking at SGOC per plan. We are going to be taking short anywhere close to 13s would have been nice on SGOC. Okay, here we go. I'm watching SGOC. Right. SGOC around 13s. 13s. 25s. I'm thinking of shorting SGOC, guys. Anything close to 13s would be nice. 13.7, 12.75s, 70s. I'm gonna start small. 12.70s, around 12.68s. Start small. I'm gonna start small. 12.68s, guys. Shorting 12.68s. Yeah. Wow, looking good. Looking good. Risk is over 13. I'm just gonna put it later, guys. Just need to watch my trade. Okay. We want this to break and stay broken. We don't want this to come back to 13 now. Ideally, I want this 12 to get taken out. Once it does that, we might have a really good runner. So SGOC is looking good. Oh, SGOC, really nice. 12s, come on. Give me that 12. Give me the 12 for first partial. 1204s, 05s, 02s. Come on, get taken out. 1202s. Yes, 1189s. Yeah, 90s, 92s. I'm gonna try to get 90s. Give me 90s. 90s. Yes, I'm out. 90s, 1190s. It took a while for me to get filled, but that's fine. Guys, the first partial on SGOC, 1190s. Just 56, 55s. Even if we don't take partials, we can put our stop here, guys. SGOC 1207, perfect place to put the stop. If it does come back, you're banking in some. So we got a really good runner here. It's looking really good, guys. This trade might actually be it for me for the day. If this gives me three partials, then I don't have to trade anything else. I'm still in on SGOC, guys. I still have my mental stop over 12. I'm watching XELA for short, guys. I'm watching XELA for shorts with a 10-cent risk. Alright, I'm taking 376, guys. 376, I'm short. 376. XELA, I'm short 376. With a 10-cent stop, guys. Recap on the trades. We are still short on two trades. We've got SGOC shorted under 13, as you can see, and we've got our first partial taken. And then on XELA we haven't taken any partial yet, but it's looking really good, and as well as SGOC, so it's looking really really good, guys. $11.16's a really really good exit, beautiful exit actually. Second on it out, I'm looking for an exit, first partial on XELA as well. Now guys, we don't want to risk too much. We're bringing our stop just over VWAP. So on this one, 1053 is out, third partial done. This is turning out to be a really good trade, guys. SGOC. SGOC, beautiful trade. Shorted 1270s, 67s, I believe, 67s, yes, with a stop just over 13. I'll say about 30 cents stop on it. And then first partial 1180s, 780 somethings. I'll have to check my, so around that area here, guys. And then we have second partial 1113s, 14s, and then we've got the last third partial 1053s. So guys, I'm just waiting for XELA to do something. My stop almost on break even. Traded it short around 376s, and then I added under 370s. So just pulled my stop to almost break even, average of that, around 374s, 373s. Now I want this low to get taken out, the low of day. That's what I'm waiting for, otherwise I'm done for the day. I'm gonna take some out, 57, guys. 57s, I'm out. So I've taken some out. Yes, it's a bit over the price I wanted. I wanted to close the partial to be as close as to 350, but I'll take that. 357. Partial is out. Lovely. Now I don't have to worry about this trade anymore. Just leave the stop here, just over the previous swing, and I can even leave it. Took the partial at a good level, by the way. Right guys, so with SGOC I'm gonna put my stop just over 11, guys. 1105s. 1105s SGOC stop goes down to 1105s, and if it does take me out, it's perfectly fine. It's been a really good trade. Okay, it might take us out. It might take us out. There you go. Alright, we're out. 375s all out. So we got stopped out on this line here. Right there. So I would say, yeah, break even, almost break even on the second, on the remaining batch. On XELA we managed to get at least the first partial here. Which was a really good place, just bouncing off the recent lows, and as it was bouncing I watched the tape to take out close to 356. I couldn't, so 357 I took out. That was a really, really good exit. So that's basically our profit on average. So we took the partial here, there, and 3 partials get taken. Well, a third and fourth final one here. So on average, I would say around it looks something like this. So that's our risk, and this will be our profit. And I am pretty happy with that. So if I am risking, let's say risking 1 to get this, I would say around 6R. So I've risked 1 to get 6, guys. I've risked 1 to get 6. Boom. Done. I don't need a lot, guys. I just need 1 trade like this for the whole day. In fact, sometimes it could be for the whole week. So that's the recap on this, guys. These trades I take every day. This is the type of trade I really, really love and trying to get. So yeah, come and join us in the live room and get involved. See you later, guys. Have a good weekend, by the way. Enjoy yourselves. Stay safe out there.